Activation functions in neural networks. Activation function decides whether a neuron should be activated by calculating the weighted sum of inputs and adding a bias term. This helps the model make complex decisions and predictions by introducing non-linearities to the output of each neuron. In this figure, we can say that activation functions with its bias term, which is present through that given node, with input layer, weights which is associated with that given input, and output layer. Non-linearity means the relationship between input and output is not a straight line. In simplest term, the output does not change proportionally with input. A common choice is the use of ReLU function, which is defined as mu x is equal to max of 0, x. For example, to classify that apples with bananas based on their shapes as well as color, it consists of three of the possibilities. Neural network consists of neurons that operate using weights, bias and activation functions. In the learning process, these weights and biases are updated based on the error produced at the output, which is called as backpropagation. There are mainly two types of activation functions in deep learning. First is linear activation functions. Second is non-linear activation function. Linear activation function resembles straight line defined by y is equal to x and the range of the output, which spans from that minus infinity to plus infinity. These linear activation functions are used at just one place, that is at the output layer. Linear activation functions are useful for specific tasks but must be combined with the non-linear functions to enhance the neural network's learning as well as predictive capabilities. Second is non-linear activation functions. One of the very important non-linear activation function is sigmoid activation function, which is characterized by S shape. It is defined as A is equal to 1 upon 1 plus e raised to minus x. Second is tanh activation function. It is one of the non-linear activation function which is called as hyperbolic tangent function, which is shifted version of sigmoid, which is defined as 2 upon 1 plus e raised to minus 2x minus 1. Alternatively, it can be expressed as tanh of x is equal to 2 into sigmoid of 2x minus 1. The value range for this tanh activation function is minus 1 to plus 1. Non-linear means it enables modeling of complex data patterns. Third is ReLU, which is defined as rectified linear unit. It is defined with respect to that given function as a of x is equal to max of 0, x, which means that it takes the input x is positive, then ReLU returns x except that is positive value. The value range for this ReLU activation function is 0, infinity. Impact of activation functions on model performance. The choice of activation function has a direct impact on the performance of neural network in different ways. First is convergence speeds, where functions like ReLU, which allows faster training by avoiding the vanishing gradient problem. Second is gradient flow. Activation functions like ReLU, which ensures better kind of gradient flow, which helping deeper layers learns effectively. Third is model complexity. Activation functions like softmax allows the model to enhance as well as to handle complex multi-class problems, whereas simpler functions like ReLU or leaky ReLU are used for basic layers. Therefore, activation functions are the backbone of neural networks, which enables them to capture non-linear relationship in the data. Thank you. In the next lecture, we can say that how these activation functions are work out in real world scenarios with respect to that different deep learning models. Thank you.